In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add moving averages in Tradingview and help you understand the best moving average for your trading strategy, specifically discussing the differences between the simple moving average, or SMA, and the exponential moving average, known as EMA. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Tradingview website. Once you've logged in and have your workspace set up, go ahead and select the trade you want to analyze. For today, we'll be using EURUSD as our example, but you can apply these same steps to any other stock or cryptocurrency. After selecting your trade, click on Full Chart to access a comprehensive view of the market data. This is where you'll be adding the moving averages. Now locate the Indicators button towards the top of the screen. Click on it to open up a search bar. In the search bar, type in Moving Average Simple and click on the first option that appears. Congratulations, you've just added the simple moving average to your chart. Now, let's customize it to fit your analysis needs. Head over to Settings, found next to the SMA you've just added. Click on Inputs within the Settings panel and you'll see the Length option. Change this to 50, which is commonly used by traders for short-term analysis. You can change it to 100 or even 200 based on your preference for medium to long-term analysis. Once you're happy with the settings, click OK to apply the changes. Next, let's explore the Exponential Moving Average, or EMA. Click on the Indicators button again, and this time type Moving Average Exponential into the search bar. Select the top result to add it to your chart. Now it's time to customize the EMA similarly to what we did with the SMA. Click on Settings, then Inputs, and set the length to 100 for a more responsive moving average that reacts quicker to price changes. This is particularly useful for short-term trading strategies. While you're still in the settings, click on Style and change the color of the EMA line to distinguish it from the SMA. A different color will help you easily identify which line aligns with which moving average method. Finally, once you're satisfied with your setup, click OK to confirm all your settings. Your chart is now equipped with both SMA and EMA, offering a robust view of the price movements over different time spans. Remember, the choice between SMA and EMA largely depends on your trading strategy. SMA provides smooth averages and works well for long-term trends, while EMA is more sensitive to recent price changes and can help spot short-term trends. Exploring and practicing with both indicators will enhance your market analysis skills. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more insights and tutorials.